Here is today's project. This is a 3-point bucket for a tractor. That center portion is pretty well destroyed. It's been repaired a time or two, but it's creasing out here, as you can see. Same here, the bottom it's ripped out. This repair was done at some point in time, but anyway, the pin that goes through here, the hydraulic cylinder is in between here, so that manipulates the bucket up and down. So what I'm going to do for this repair, trying to fix this metal is just going to take more time than it's worth. So I'm going to come back here, draw some lines, and just cut this whole section out. Cut 2 new plates, bend them, and then weld them in place of that. And I believe that that will be much better off than trying to repair this old crappy metal. All of that old stuff is out, and you see I've got it cleaned up just a little bit for right now. Probably we'll have to do more later. And we've got multiple cracks around here, so you find the end of the crack, drill it out, and then I chase the crack with a cutoff wheel, and that cleans it out. So I'll have to weld those in before I put this cover back on. And then to make the new cover, all I'll need to do is measure the height, the length, and then that will give me my hypotenuse. So these 2 pieces will be the same, and I'll have to bend that over and then put in the hole for the pin. I've marked where the center was here and there. Smart thing to do, so that way you have a reference. So now I'm going to draw the pieces up, get them cut, bent, and start fitting. Parts are cut. Well, let's clean and bend them. Okay, there are the 2 parts cut and bent. Now what I'm going to be doing is adding in this little 1/2-inch piece of plate, and that's going to give it a little more thickness and material for when that piston is pulling. So if you were to just leave that at 1/8 inch, it would tear through in no time. So that was down on the old one, and that was the reasoning behind it. So I'm going to put those on. Okay, we're finished welding. Here is the end result. It went together pretty good. Pretty happy. I'm kind of surprised of how thin the manufacturer had this, but made it the same. So 1/8 inch material, everything fits. It looks a lot better than the old one.